Actor Shia LaBeouf, 39, has been ordered by a New Orleans judge to enter a drug and alcohol rehabilitation program following his arrest during Mardi Gras celebrations earlier this month. LaBeouf posted $100,000 bond for his release, which came with strict court-imposed conditions. The arrest stemmed from an incident on February 17, 2026, in the French Quarter, where LaBeouf allegedly became aggressive outside a local bar. He was charged with 2 counts of misdemeanor battery after reportedly striking 2 people and using offensive language. Round pushpin the Mardi Gras incident. According to police and eyewitness reports, LaBeouf was involved in a confrontation near a popular French Quarter bar. One victim was allegedly struck in the face, resulting in minor injuries. Witnesses reported that LaBeouf shouted homophobic slurs during the altercation. Bystanders had to restrain him until authorities arrived. Initially, LaBeouf was released without bail, but after additional details emerged, a judge set a $100,000 bond and added conditions to ensure public safety. Money bag bond and court conditions. The court imposed several requirements for LaBeouf's release. Mandatory entry into a rehabilitation program for alcohol and substance use. Weekly drug and alcohol testing, monitored by the court. A stay-away order preventing contact with the alleged victims or returning to the scene. Travel restrictions, including denial of a planned trip to Rome in March. After the hearing, LaBeouf declined to comment to reporters, signaling a focus on complying with the court's requirements. Balance scale judge's remarks. Judge Simone Levine expressed concern about LaBeouf's repeated struggles with substance abuse and emphasized the risk to public safety. She noted that the actor had not fully recognized the seriousness of his behavior and stated that the rehabilitation requirement was essential for his recovery and community protection. Calendar next steps. LaBeouf is scheduled to appear in court again on March 19, 2026, to respond to the misdemeanor battery charges. At that hearing, prosecutors may consider additional evidence or charges. LaBeouf's attorney could negotiate a plea deal or argue for dismissal. Compliance with rehab and testing will likely influence the court's decisions. Brain a pattern of struggles. This is not LaBeouf's first public legal or personal struggle. Throughout his career, he has faced multiple controversies and substance-related issues. This recent arrest highlights ongoing personal challenges amid intense media scrutiny. Speech balloon public reaction. Reactions to the incident are mixed. Some praise the court for emphasizing rehabilitation over punishment. Others express concern that LaBeouf continues a pattern of volatile behavior. The story has reignited discussions about celebrity accountability, addiction, and mental health. Pushpin key takeaways. Arrest. Mardi Gras, New Orleans, February 17, 2026. Charges. 2 counts of misdemeanor battery. Bond. $100,000, posted by LaBeouf. Court orders. Rehab, weekly testing, stay-away orders, travel restrictions. Next court date. March 19, 2026. Context. Ongoing personal and legal struggles with substance abuse. This case highlights the intersection of celebrity, accountability, and rehabilitation, showing that even high-profile figures are subject to the law while addressing personal challenges.